Shenzhen, a city that feels like 2050. Let's look at some amazing tech moments I captured here while exploring this city.
Hello. Can I try a job?
哪里来了这么可爱的宝贝？我叫爱宝，你叫什么名字啊？
First, let's discover the incredible, innovative robots you'll find in Shenzhen. Shall buy a smart robot dog.
我可以给你讲故事，解答问题，陪你聊天。好可爱呀！对着用户卖了个萌。
Robot barista. Humanoid robots.
I am an AI from CRT 77 Digital City. I am very happy to be here and hope to make friends with you. I'm here to accompany you, chat with you, and bring you some joy.
Companion robot. Security patrol robot. Dancing robot. Chess playing robot. Brain controlled robot. Coffee making robotic arm. Sports robot. Other robot dogs. Other embodied robots. Robot hands. Other companion robots. This futuristic design is called Shenzhen Eye, one of Shenzhen's most iconic and unique landmarks. What is also futuristic is the autonomous ride-hailing service in this city. The overall riding experience is already very smooth and comfortable. This is DJI Sky City, the headquarters of a world-leading drone company. And when it comes to drones, they are already being used for food delivery in Shenzhen. This building that looks like an alien spaceship is Shenzhen Bay Cultural Square, and it is also one of Shenzhen's newly built landmarks. What also looks like an alien spaceship is the doomed plate. It just came running over, carrying the food all by itself. By the way, the food was okay. Robot vacuum cleaners are widely seen in this city. Elevated parking lots are also super impressive. After a busy day, spending some time at Water Curtain Plaza is a great way to relax. Or you can hike to the waterfront, where you can enjoy the city's stunning skyline. If you walk along the bustling streets, you might find smart borders with built-in screens. You can also explore Shenzhen shopping malls and commercial centers. In some commercial centers, you might find 3D printed product showcases. This entire miniature model is 3D printed. 3D printed shoes. 3D printed masks. Three-D printed lamps. 3D printed armor. 3D printed toys. This is how these products are created through 3D printing. At night, you can also experience the water curtain light show. Or you can visit SeaWorld and enjoy a drink with friends on the ship. Shenzhen is a city full of surprises, a city of the future, powered by innovation and imagination.